Hi, my name is James Chan. I'm from Singapore, and I'll be playing two tunes on the flute. The first, The Boy on the Hilltop, and second, The Bag of Spuds. It's a set from Michael Coleman, and I learned it from Patsy Henley.
Farhu James, listen, if a fault is fair rot, he does go custies, shopping custies and Sean Inish. James, very unusual having a flute player from your area of the world. Where in the name of God did you pick up traditional Irish music on flute and whistle?
I think it's very important to note the aspects of new media in traditional culture. It's spreading the music all over the world, and it's bringing the great culture of Irish music and dance and others around the world. I first learned Irish traditional music, first seen it on a video on YouTube, and my mum told me to go ahead and learn it. So I went online, found a friend from my country, and he gave me a first tin whistle, and he gave me a set of recordings. I remember the first one was and a selection of traditional Irish dances. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I know it's an instructional CD by Michael Tabrady and Rita Tabrady. So
lovely.
And the second one was Paddy Maloney and Sean Potts' Tin Whistle album, and that's a great album for tin whistle music as well. And so I've been learning by ear, because 11,000 kilometers away, that's the best way to learn it. Not being able to be part of the origins of the music and the tradition. So James, really, that's how I brief the music.
That's great. Listen, you've been in Clare anyway. You've attended the Willie Clancy Summer School for your first time. But seemingly last night you've also met one of your all-time heroes.
Yep.
Will you tell us about that briefly?
Yes, I just came back from Cana. Sean McKinnon, the piper, he drove my friend and I back here, and we had a session with Sean McKinnon, Maeve Donnelly, and a few others at Kelly's here in Ennis. And unfortunately, Ronan Brown, the piper, was supposed to be there, but he couldn't come, so it was just the group of us, and we had a great time. Not only playing, but listening attentively to the playing of Peadar O'Loughlin.
Peadar O'Loughlin,
yes.
Okay. And was Peadar playing flute or fiddle last night?
He was playing the fiddle. A
Excellent.
very fine fiddle player he was.
at his age as well. You know, he's a
At
great
his age,
age,
yes.
but he's fantastic.
What I learned in Irish traditional music is that everyone, young or old, have a breath to offer to the music, and that's why I find it very very important, and it's an honor to have been next to Pedro Lachlan and to actually hear him playing in person. I've been waiting 3.5 years to actually meet him or one of the Clare masters of fiddle playing. So
You've met one of the best. James, listen, it was our honour having you here, okay, and getting to know you over the last few weeks, and we hope to see you very soon again. Thank you very much. Gurv Mila Mahagat. Slán.
Thank you, Slán.